Hey people, this is after a very long gap that I ventured outside and this time we are towards Nandi Halt, taking a small detour to an offbeat location, not something that people usually know about. So this is the backside view of the Nandi Hills. Here we are at Nandi Nildana in Kannada, which is Nandi Halt. Like I said, this is one of the lesser known places. Everyone knows the famous Nandi Hills, but not the Nandi Hill station. So let's take a small ride, and guess what? This is on an Activa off-roading experience, not your normal biker, you see. A lot of these ruins around. There you can see at the far that there is a Nandi signboard. This is the Nandi Hills. So this place is completely empty, a perfect place to just relax. Now for us, perfect because we really wanted no one around considering the current COVID situation. And this is the view as we near the Nandi Halt station. It's almost 100+ year old colonial railway station, which is currently non-functional. So let's go in and have a deeper look. So here we are at the Nandi Halt. Like I said, a place which is not too popular, but brings you that excellent feel of how old Bangalore was. So really no one around here at this moment. Today is the 8th of August 2020. We are currently battling the pandemic, the COVID-19. And this is probably the first trip, or I wouldn't really call it as a trip, but a real close getaway from Bangalore. Here you can see the fare and the ticket counter. This railway station also is currently not in use, very clearly, but it's got this old rustic feel. And as you can see, there is probably one caretaking family which is right now in this station. So just imagine how things would have been back then. Maybe a little bustling around this place, a lot of trains passing by. Right now there's no one, literally no one around here. So I'm not going to give you more details about the historical relevance of this place, because I'm sure you guys can anyways Google. You will find a lot of articles around Nandi Halt. Look up for Nandi Halt if you are really planning to come over here. But again, a disclaimer that this is not a place for you to really chill out or enjoy, but it's more to soak into the history of how old Bangalore would have been, and something very offbeat around Nandi Hills. I guess we've been lucky. We are seeing one of the trains passing by. So not sure which train this is, but seems like one of the rare trains which pass by this beautiful station. And guess what? We were lucky enough to get this glimpse.